it's Kako and welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, I'm Rica Elaine, but you can call me Kako, and welcome to the not so typical place here on YouTube. For this video, I'm going to have a first impression on the Peach 2 palette from BYS, and honestly, itong tatlong shades na to, nagamit ko na before because minakeupan ko yung best friend ko and yung friend niya dati, few weeks ago, no? Mga bandang July 7, I think. Yun. And yung palette na yun is yung sa best friend niya. Anyway, I'm going to swatch all of these shades here on my wrist or on my arms. Basta yun, alam nyo na. Dito sa palette na to, they have reddish, pinkish, orangey tones na warm. Okay, enough with that talk. I'll just go swatch it on my wrist now. Let's talk about the packaging first. It is peachy, of course, and then the texts are from gold. At the back, you will see the shades inside the palette, but it doesn't have a name. And here you will see its ingredients and kung saan ginawa, or the place kung saan to ginawa, and its shelf life for 12 months. So moving on to the inside, you will see, of course, the palette itself. And ito, hindi ko pa tinanggal kasi it's just a mirror. And kapag tinanggal ko to, may kita yung kung gaano kagulo yung setup ko rito. Like, anyway, so ito, may plastic pa siya, hindi ko pa natin tanggal. Ngayon ko pa lang tatanggalin. So, let's do something satisfying. Okay, that wasn't satisfying at all. Here you will see two double-ended brushes that we won't and don't really use. These brushes, hindi ko siya tinatapon because pwede ko itong gamitin when I'm doing my face painting or when I'm doing makeup for cosplays and such. So, I'll keep them. Pero tanggalin ko muna ngayon. So, at the bottom part, they have their mattes. And here on top, they have their glittery, shimmery shades. And I think that I find it really cute. On my left arm, I swatch all of their mattes. And all I can say is they're really pigmented. Then, on the right are their shimmery shades. And they're really pigmented also. So, I'm just going to make a simple makeup look for now. So, I will just use this shade here for my whole eyelid. Oh, ang daming fallouts. Ang dami guys. Ang daming fallouts. Anyway, lalagay ko lang to sa buong eyelid ko. Just go for this one as my transition shade. I'm not really a makeup guru. Put it just here. I'll just put it here. Ooh, that's nice. Very pigmented. Oh, that's really pretty though. I'll use this one. I'm sorry, I'm not a makeup guru, okay? So I'm just experimenting. I'm just a beginner, okay? I'm not a pro. But we'll see what will happen. Ooh, that's pretty intense. I see, BYS, I see. So I'm going for this shade here para sa middle part. And let's see kung ano magiging kalalabasan. I'll use my finger na lang. So I'll just blend it out a bit more. So gagamitin ko lang ulit yung tatlong shades para sa bottom part. I'll just do my eyeliner and eyelashes and I'll be back. So this is the finished look and I actually like it though and I hope you do like it too. This is a closer look. I know medyo marumi yung pagkakagawa ko sa eyelashes and hindi rin ganun ka-perfect yung sa eyeliner ko, but I tried, okay. The final thoughts about this palette, I really like the shades, the colors. And yeah, sobrang pigmented, but look guys, look, ang daming fallouts. So, hindi siya ganun ka-intact, walang names dito, and wala rin names dito. So, yun lang naman yung ayaw ko dun, and sana naglagay sila ng names ng shades para kapag gagawa ng tutorial, alam nyo kung ano yung shade kukunin ko. But, yun nga, I really like the look, I really like the outcome. So is it a pop or no? I think it's still a pop because look. Yes, girl. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course, please do give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and please do click on the bell button down below if you don't want to miss a video from me. So see you guys on my next video. Bye!